station in the land, Mr. Fire Emoji in the building.
Baby, unapenya ungezua ndoto da ugari pachifua.
Time we linked up, I remember you were telling me that you are working on something with DJ Tamuka. Yeah.
You know, it's been some couple years
Yeah.
After releasing that fire emoji that outshined my songs and it was really hard to come up with something that's doper than that project. So I've been working hard putting the track with a song that is better than that. So but now I feel like I'm satisfied. I'm my own competition in it. So ndofana kuzviitira something that is more better than later last time.
Tell me more about your relationship in the studio with DJ Tamuka.
DJ Tamuka. Besides my works, he just treats me like his little brother. Like he gets me to that point. Besides music, he understands me other side.
You had a good relationship with Zoro, the producer. Are you also working on some projects?
Because he understands me like that much. He's the one who did fire emoji and I don't depend on the industry and he gets me.
I think that's the reason why we're super excited about this one, Benita. How do you wear Benita?
Benita, go buy you, babe.
On Benita, you collaborated with Murumba. I was just checking out some of the visuals on your Instagram page. The video is out as well on YouTube. You guys can go and check it out on Leo's YouTube. That's the track titled Benita with Murumba Pitch. And the question that came to mind is, how did you guys connect?
What happened is I've been trying to source out for my international collaborations with my management, and with that vision, we want to also penetrate the international market, the South African market, So, which South African voice can merge with my voice is really best, and I feel like the pick that we had for Murumba Beach was the best. Product I think is satisfied.
Is this a single that we're dropping leading to a bigger project?
We've been working. Zero, DJ Tamuka, we've been in the studio and we have a big project coming next year. You're my bundle of joy when I'm low,